let's talk about what DevOps is. What, from your perspective, what is it?
Sure. In the context of what we're talking about, DevOps can mean a process or maybe an associated platform to implement a process.
Okay.
DevOps is really about how do we manage the development and operations of an enterprise system in the scope of today's conversation.
The dev and the ops, right? Development and operations.
Right.
Makes sense.
Put them
Okay.
together.
Yep.
Yep. And there is a whole slew of topics that can go into the development and the operations of a system. In how I'm going to frame it today, the key components that I think will give a ton of utility to an organization are really built around requirements definition, the ability to trace functionality of a system back to requirements, and the test execution side of vetting the requirements against the capability that you see in the end system. So those are the three that I think we'll touch on more today.